Worship. Special church pictures explained. Jesus told many stories, making clear pictures in people's minds. Jesus called himself the door. The gate for the sheep, the good shepherd. And the vine or tree, trunk for the branches. Jesus called himself the light for the world. These words make pictures in our minds that we could easily draw. God's people have drawn pictures, simple pictures, reminding us who God is and what God does for his people. Jesus often taught people using comparison story parables. Stories about earthly work or situations in our world that explains clearly religious, heavenly, God things. Comparison stories are about God's truth. People who loved God understood the clear meaning, but people rejected God. Through that, Jesus told foolish stories. People now see Christian pictures. And symbols in books and magazines, in our churches and in Christian homes. Also see Christian symbols on our jewelry and our clothes. Some people remember common faith and some people think they are foolish. The Holy Blessed Trinity, Christians have many symbols and words we need to understand. We can't explain them all in this short chapter. We will explain some important pictures and words, and how and why they were invented long ago, and what they mean for us now. We will show how these symbols and words can make your worship more happy and enjoyable. First, we explain the Trinity. We worship one God in three persons, and three persons in one God. The unity in Trinity, and the Trinity in unity. People are confused about Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Three persons, but not three gods. Our sign for Trinity is a picture of this truth, but there are many other pictures to help us understand. The triangle is one symbol or picture explaining the Trinity. Three equal lines make a triangle. Each side is the same. But the three fit together to make one picture. When one side is missing, or one side is separate, the triangle is not a triangle. The Father, Son, and Holy Spirit join together into one God. The three are equal. The Father, Son, and Holy Spirit are always joined. If one is missing or one is not equal, that is not our God. Other Trinity symbols. Three joined circles is another picture. Long ago invented and still used to explain the triune God. The three circles are joined, united in one picture. Those three circles are each the same, each connected. In the center, those three are all connected. The shamrock, a little clover with 3 leaves. Is another living, growing picture of the Trinity. Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Each leaf looks the same. They are equal. There are 3 leaves, but 1 plant. The shield is again a triangle. But it has words to help explain. Each point of the triangle is labeled. Father, Son, or Holy Spirit. On each outside line of the triangle there are words, is not. The Father is not the Son, is not the Holy Spirit, never ending. A line from each is drawn to the middle to the word God. The inside lines have the word printed is. The Father is God, the Son is God, the Holy Spirit is God.